Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In previous video, we discussed about how 8 exponential day and 50 simple moving average crossover. It marks very powerful levels and which helps us in trading for the future. So in this video, we are going to deep dive into the moving average crossover. At this time, we will learn about the crossover of the price with the 8 exponential moving average and how this important level marked here and will help us in future. So friends, 8 days exponential moving average shows us the natural human behavior. So it is the must have indicator in everyone's chart. So today I am going to share with you the strategy which gives us very powerful levels which helps us to find out the support and resistance for the future graphs. So now I will show you that how the cross section of 8 exponential day moving average and the price impacts the future support and resistance and will give very powerful levels. So this is the graph in which this is the 8 exponential day moving average and let's see, here we can find out that this is the price crossing over the 8 exponential moving average. So here and here also, what we will do, we will simply put a horizontal line where the cross section is there. So here we can find out that the price is getting a resistance at this level. So we also put the line, the next cross section, and this will give us the next resistance. So this is very powerful level. We can see that how price reacts at these levels. All the information you need for the market is hidden in the chart. You just have to come into synchronization with the price and then you will find out very powerful levels. This thinking is at very different level. So friends, we will see what happens with the next level. I will just put a line here where the green line crosses over the 8 exponential moving average. So in that case also we can find that this is the resistance is getting here or at this level, and here the price is getting resistance here and here. This is the previous day I was talking about and was the cross section here we got from the previous day, and this is the next day, and we can find that how the prices are behaving at these levels. So I will just remove all these three lines and then we will do it for the same day. So the same day starts here and so here the price is crossing the line and here also the breakout to the downside is occurred. So I will put a line here and here is the next crossover. So I will just put a line here. Okay, so we can find out that this is the level of resistance to the price and the price immediately get in the downside. So the next crossover was here, the green line is crossing to the 8 exponential moving average and I will just put a line here. Also here the red line is crossing, I can put a line over here also. Okay, so they are nearly same, and we can find that how the price is moving here and getting support and then moving to the upside. For the next crossover we will go here and this is the next crossover. So I will just put a line here. Okay, so I don't have this graph until then, I am just putting a line. Okay, I have this previous line which was from this cross section and I am getting the next area of the price action. Okay, so this strategy is very powerful strategy and I think you can apply this to your chart and get some good results out of this. So we will do some more examples for this. So on this chart I am putting a line here where the crossover happened. So in this case I will put where the strong crossover is there. So this is also the level we can mark. This is the price crossing to the downside at this 8 exponential moving average, and also this is the next crossover. So friends, here we have the graph going to downside, and at this range we don't have any level. So in that case, what we can do is we will go to the past and find out that where the crossover happened, and then we can put lines here. We can go back and where the crossover happened in the past, and then we can put lines there. Okay, so let's see what will be the result for these crossovers. And here how perfectly this level works. So here this is the opening candle of the day, and here it opened here and went upside and then closed exactly at the same level we marked and went directly to the downside, and this is the next level and the price gets supported here. So this was the next target for this line. Also this is the next day, and here it was the line we marked and it is getting the resistance from here. So in this case, I can say that wherever the crossovers happens, we can mark these levels which have very high importance in the future. Because the crossover happened at this level, this has much importance. That's why there is the crossover. Otherwise, the price moves sideways or in other directions. So already we given some hints that the price is crossing over here at this point. So this is very important point. We should mark this point, and no one does that. When I myself found out this strategy, I was surprised by the results. You don't need to have any other support and resistance levels. You get these levels at the same day or previous day's data. These lines works very perfectly. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope that it will help you in your trading. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will come with very good content for the next time. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.